Hi friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about Bharat Dynamics Limited and Indian Defence Stock. The very key point of me talking about Bharat Dynamics Limited is that the key burden on defence equipment has reduced, making the sector more attractive for investment. The reason for this is high value imports and important spare parts are now exempted from IGST. Okay, but why does this matter for defence stocks? See, with lower tax expenses, companies may report better margins which may boost profit margins. And then there is a stronger outlook, government support and reduced import cost burden improve the sector's growth prospect. So in short, with government's tax relief and global attention, defense sector could see a strong uptrend. Okay, now let's talk about Bharat Dynamics Limited. Bharat Dynamics Limited is a Government of India defense PSU that manufactures missiles, torpedoes and allied systems. It has large order book, strong export pipeline and good recent revenue execution, but the stock currently trades at elevated multiples versus historical averages and depends heavily on the government orders and executions. Now let's discuss about its product, but before that, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Talking about BDL core products, BDL has surface-to-air missiles, example Akash variants, anti-tank guided missiles, lightweight torpedoes, air-to-surface weapons and associated subsystems. They have a specialized strategically important product mix for Indian Armed Force and export customers. In short, BDL is engaged in manufacturing of guided missiles and allied defense equipment. The company manufactures and supplies guided missiles, underwater weapons, airborne products and allied defense equipment for Indian Armed Force. The company exports lightweight torpedoes, countermeasures, dispensing systems, ATGM and Akash weapon systems. It plans to open representative offices in foreign countries. Several orders like medium-range surface-to-air missiles, Invar ATGM, Helena, NAG, smart anti-airfield weapons, grade rockets and refurbishments orders are expected to be received in FY25. So why has BDL fallen sharply from May month to now? It has given a negative return of 22%, approximately 23%. So many companies, take for example Apollo Micro is trading around 332 rupees and it has hit an all-time high of 354 rupees. It has a high PE of 164 rupees and BDL has a PE of 106 rupees. So many companies have high PEs like more than 50, more than 100. Then also they are giving a good return. So is the growth less in BDL? So why and how BDL rallied like from April to June? Actually in those months, defense sector sentiment was very strong. Government export deals, big orders, Atmanirbhar Bharat news, and then BDL announced some export contracts like lightweight torpedoes, Akash deals, so investors rushed in. The stock already had a momentum premium because of its missile and torpedo business. It ran up sharply. Then why it fell sharply after June? Actually, there was profit booking. After a 70 to 80% rally in a few months, big investors booked profits. PSU defense stocks often rally fast and then correct hard. Okay, this and all are fine. There were flat earnings, earning disappointment, sector rotation. But let's keep it short and clear. BDL fell earlier because of flat earnings, sector rotation and high valuation. Now around 1600, the stock is near strong support. If September-October results show better margins and if new export defense orders are announced, the stock can rebound strongly. BDL remains in the list of attractive defense pick, with retail investors and FIs keeping a close eye on it due to strong order visibility and export potential. And also brokers like JM Financial still have 2100 to 2200 targets. But remember, BDL is more volatile than HALE and GRSA. It can swing fast, so the move to 2100 will likely need positive triggers like orders and results, not just time passing. Without strong triggers, it may just consolidate between 1500 to 1800 rupees before the next big move. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your encouragement means a lot and helps me bring more such content for you. I'll be sharing more valuable updates and insights very soon. See you in the next one.